tulog talaga si kuya. What the fuck? Oh. Shining, shimmering, splendid ang buhok ko ngayon. Kasi hindi tayo maasim. It's 8 a.m. Oh, 10 na pala. 8 ako nagising. And why am I making this video? Because I'm bored AF and it's really early. Magmumukbang tayo ng 7-Eleven onigiri. Na para bang siya si Thalia Perico. No one can replace that, my goat, Thalia Perico. Anyways, kakain na tayo. So cringe. Salmon mayo na onigiri and chicken teriyaki na onigiri. Lubos ako mga 8 to get my friend's Robux kasi I'm such a sugar mommy. And then, I was like, it's such a beautiful fucking day today. What if uminom ako ng Monster ng walang laman tiyan like I used to do in my glory days and buy this? Kasi nagugutom ako. And then, I was like, anong gagawin ko habang kumakain nito? Manonood ako ng Emma Chamberlain, the GOAT. Let's do something new. Nagbe-video tayo. Tapos uubusin ko na naman yung storage ng tablet para may upload akong kabobohan sa YouTube kung wala namang views. You know what? Let's just get to the point and eat. Shout out sa mga taong hindi alam paano buksan to. Pag ganun siya, like, di ba pag ganun siya, lagi naman siyang nasisira pag ginaganon ko siya. Or baka bobo lang ako. Reveal. Ah, ganon. Kasi akala ko sobrang bobo lang. How do you even... This is me struggling. Yay! Looks okay. I guess. There's still some seaweed left in here, so... Now let's open the other one. Ang ina. What am I showing you? It's parang napakabago nyo naman sa mundo pa. Ipakita ko sa inyo paano magbukas ng 7-Eleven onigiri. Nalayo ko sa akin parang sasabog. Ganon. Perfect. I'm not gonna show you because it doesn't really look that appetizing. Pero masarap siya. Titigan lang tayo. Wala, kakain lang ako ng ganito. Second bite for you. Ooh. Why am I like this? Fuck. Pag kumakain ako nito sa school, sobrang nahihirapan ako mukha kong tanga. Tapos kinakain ko pa to kada TLE kasi yung first period namin. Kita ko ni Sir, hirap na hirap akong buksan. Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Lord, I'm three. Bagal. Lord, I'm four. Lord, I'm 500 miles from our home. Ay, tangina mo.
Girl, this is a YouTube video.
Is this a
not an audition.
schizophrenic?
What the fuck, my sayad?
What is this mukbang even about, bro? Anong klaseng mukbang to? Di nyo naman nakikita yung pagkain. I mean, this is more decent, right? Hindi ako nag-makeup kasi nakakatamad. Do a makeup too next time. Don't talk when your mouth is full, guys. Gago, may tinik sa onigiri ko. Is this plastic or a fish bone? Looks like it's a fish bone. I mean, there is a salmon, so.
Editor Bea here. I'm so sorry if you can't understand what the fuck I'm saying most of the time. Kasi kumakain nga ni. So, yeah. Sorry. Grey Humbles. 10 pesos lang. Bili na po kayo.
Yay! I always do this. Sorry, I'm just so good. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala na may boyfriend na ako. Like, this bitch has a Stay tuned for more Freedom Wall videos kasi I'm gonna be doing that pag grade 10 na ako. Oh my god, grade 10 na ako! Di ba halata? Mukha sa akong kurang eh. Teriyaki chicken. This is my first time trying this flavor, by the way. Hindi ko sabet. Oh my god! I'm still gonna eat it because that's wasteful. Hindi ko sabet, bro. Kasi, tatlo lang yung flavor dun. Salmon mayo, ito teriyaki chicken, tsaka may isa, pero spicy siya. And I don't like spicy food. I mean, I would have bought it if I still had my monster with me. Pero syempre, naubos ko na yung monster ko, diba? Kasi bro, uuwi ako may monster. Seryoso ka. Ayoko na. Nang Batangas kami, like, a few days ago. Tapos sumuka ako ng sobrang dami. I vomited, like, at least 7 times. I haven't, di ko binilang, pero at least 7 times siya. Pero alam mo yung kung ano nagpawala ng sakit ng tiyan ko that night? Nung nilambing ako ng boyfriend ko, nawala siya. Legit, like, I'm not playing. I love my boyfriend. It stopped recording kasi wala na akong storage. Second bite free! Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Tatlong subo na lang to. Dalawang subo na lang to. Last bite, bro. Gusto kong maging si Kenma nung sa time skip. Pogi niya. Goodness gracious! Yan lang. Tutulog na ako.